Are you tired of waiting for a job? Not to worry. In this video, I will walk you through 15 simple side hustles that you can start right from your home, even with a phone, a little passion, or things you already have lying around your house. Stick around, especially number 15 is something many people ignore, but it can put consistent cash in your pocket every single week. One is home cooking. If you know how to cook, you know how people say, I don't have time to cook. That's your opportunity. If you enjoy cooking, you can start preparing delicious meal from home and deliver them to busy professionals, students or new moms in your area, and they pay you. How do you start? Start with your best dishes, maybe jollof rice, soup, or anything you know how to do best. Take nice and clear pictures with your phone, post on WhatsApp, advertise it, and your local food group. Before you know, you're going to be offering daily and weekly subscription package to Facebook. All you need to do is to partner with a delivery bike in your area. Two is laundry and ironing service. Some people are so busy, their clothes literally pile up for weeks. You can help by offering to wash and iron for them from your home. How are you going to start? Start by telling your neighbors and friends. Offer a trial at a discount. Collect, wash, iron, and deliver all in one. Create simple pricing per shirt, trouser, or bundle. This is ideal for anyone with space, access to water, soap, and a pressing iron. So number three is babysitting or daycare from home. If you're good with kids and have a safe space, parents around you will gladly pay for your help. How are you going to start? Talk to parents you know in your church, neighborhood, friends. Offer to watch their kids during work hours. Child-proof your space and keep some toys around. Start with one or two kids and grow from there. This is ideal for stay-at-home moms, aunties, and retired teachers. Four is hair braiding and styling. If you know how to braid or plait hair, people will come to you, especially now when salons are expensive. How are you going to start? Showcase your work using photos and short videos. Tell your communities, that's your social media handle, you're taking bookings or people around your environment. Offer home service or in-house section at a set time. Five, making and selling snacks like puff puff, chin chin, buns, plantain chips, and so others. Some people want to buy in bulk. Sometimes I do. You know, these snacks, these are everyday treats people love to munch. How to start? Choose 1 to 2 snacks to master. Buy ingredients in bulk. You can produce in batches, package them in nylons or small containers, sell at schools, churches, office, and online with delivery. Anybody can do this. Anyone can fry, bake, or want fast consistent sales. Number 6 is phone customer service agent. Some businesses need someone to answer phone calls, confirm orders, or talk to customers, and you can do this with just a phone. How do you start? Look for job posts on Facebook, Jobberman, WhatsApp group. Practice clear and friendly phone ethics. Offer this service to businesses like caterers, vendors, and any other person that need your service. It's just to make yourself available and advertise. That's all you need. 7. Bead making and accessories. Beads never go out of fashion. From weddings to church wear, if you have creativity, this is a solid hustle for you. How to start? Learn simple bead patterns from YouTube, buy tools and materials from craft markets, and start making necklaces, waist bead, earrings, sell on Instagram, WhatsApp, local fashion stores. It is ideal for any creative individuals, students, or stay-at-home mom. You can try it. You never can tell until you try before you see results. 8. Customized t-shirts and gifts. Have you seen those shirts with birthday names, funny quotes, or business logo? That's branding. And you can do it too. How do you start? Start with iron on transfer paper and a pressing iron. Offer printing on t-shirts, turtles bag, cap, build sample and post on WhatsApp, Instagram, ideal for active, young, creative, and fashion lovers. And you're going to be making money right from home. 9. Selling prepared fruits in parks. People want to eat healthy but they hate chopping fruits. That's your how to start. Buy fruit in bulk from the local market, slice, pack in clean, clear containers. Offer fruit cups to offices, salons, gyms, and parents who also buy from you. Anyone near market with basic hygiene and packaging knowledge can be able to venture into this business and make a living from it. Then number 10 is teaching kids from home. If you're good at teaching or helping with homework, turn it into cash. And you're going to ask, how do I start? You can focus on nursery or primary school subjects. Offer weekly lessons at home or online. Print simple flyers and promote in your neighborhood. You cannot tell who will be your first customer. Number 11 is this very one. I love it. And I'm going to look out for who can teach me how to do this, which is wig making and revamping. Let's face it, wigs are no longer a luxury. They are a necessity, especially for ladies who want to switch up their looks without sitting in a salon for hours. If you have a creative hand and passion, wig making and revamping is a highly profitable side hustle you can run from home. And the best part of it is that you don't need to be a professional hairstylist to get started. What is wig making and revamping? Wig making involves constructing custom wig using hair bundles, closures, or frontals on a wig cap. Wig revamping means transforming old, tangled, or worn out wig into a fresh, neat, and wearable styles, like restoring hair to its original shine, recoiling, resewing, or changing the pattern. Learn different types: closure wig, frontal wig, headband wig, etc. Practice on cheap hair to build confidence. Wig revamping is going to make you good money. Try it. One thing you should know about this is that the market is endless. Students, working class women, brides, and even older women wear wigs, so you're going to make money. Number 12 is voiceover. If you have a clear voice and good expression, you can record for ads, jingles, audio stories. How are you going to start? Use your phone with a quiet background. Download a simple voice recorder app. Offer samples to local businesses, or you post online and advertise yourself. For whosoever that is interested, you can be making money from only doing voiceover with your phone. 13. Mini gift hamper. This is ideal for businesses. From birthdays to thank you pack, gift hampers are always in season. How are you going to start? Buy small snack strings, wrap with creativity, offer it for a certain price. Hampers are all budgeted. Number 14 is renting out your household item. This actually is very, very interesting. You probably have a big pot, speakers, chairs, or canopies you only use once in a while. Why not rent them out? How do you start? Take a photo of your item, post in church group, local WhatsApp group, marketplace, set clear rental price and a deposit policy. You can be making money from it. Number 15 is a bonge, personal errand service. Most people are actually looking for who they can send if you're trustworthy. People are busy, and if you're reliable, they will pay you to run their errand. Build trust by starting with people you know, promote in your estate or in a working class environment. The truth is, money is already in your hands. You just need to look around and ask, what can I offer with what I already have? Tech is great, but you don't need it to start. So tell me, which of these 15 side hustles caught your eye the most? Let's talk in the comment section. If you found value in this video, please do me a favor by liking this video and also hit the subscribe button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, keep hustling and remember, your gift is enough. Thank you.